I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, the 25th day of May. As expected, the weather is cooler across the state today. Let's look out the window and look at the view from Mount Cheahaw. Got an easterly flow, clouds around, and 70 degrees. Now, that's 2,400 feet. That's way up, but still, that's awfully refreshing compared to the low 90s of late. On the western side of the state, that's the view coming from downtown Jasper. That camera's on top of the King Building. The sky there partly sunny with low 80s. And over in Philadelphia, Mississippi, I got a rain shower falling there, and they've got 69 degrees with that rain in progress as there are some scattered showers and storms around the deep south. There's a water vapor satellite shot this afternoon. You can see that we've got that upper low kind of nosing in here from the Atlantic, helping to push moisture in from the east. A trough out west, convection in the middle of the nation. There's a look at our temperatures, and look at that. Birmingham, 79 degrees at mid-afternoon. That's awfully nice. Tuscaloosa, the warm spot, they've got 86, 78 at the Shelby County Airport. And on the radar at 2:10, quite frankly, I thought we'd see a little more convection. Of course, the day is still fairly young. Showers showing up over the eastern side of the state, Cleburne, Randolph counties over into Georgia. A few thunderstorms in West Alabama back over into Mississippi. So far, the I-65 corridor has been rain-free. We'll maintain the chance of scattered showers this evening. Watch warning map got some flash flood watches around the Mid-South. Not so sure that those will be up for much longer. Wind advisories up north, winter weather advisories for the mountains in California, and way, way, way up there in northern Maine. That's a severe thunderstorm watch. There's the convective outlook for the rest of today. Got the slight risk in Maine. Slight risk from northern Missouri up to the UP of Michigan and in parts of West Texas and the adjacent states. Tomorrow, slight risk areas up in New England and over the western high plains. And on day 3, which is Thursday, again, all the action way up north. That looks a lot like summertime. Here's the QPF chart. This is the expected rain for the next 5 days, valid through Sunday morning at 7 o'clock. Amounts across Alabama, about 1/2 inch. And I don't know if we see that much, but understand we're getting into the time of the year where these maps are not that useful for us with these air mass showers and storms. They're scattered. Some folks might see a 1/2 inch, some folks nothing. You know how that works. Now let's look at modeling. This is the 12Z GFS valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow, 1 o'clock Wednesday. Upper low off the Atlantic coast, big trough out off the Pacific Northwest coast, ridging in between, and down below that, yeah, it looks pretty quiet. We'll mention a slight chance of a shower tomorrow. Probably nothing beyond that. Surface low is off in the Atlantic. And by the way, there's the tropical outlook from the Hurricane Center, and they've got the chance of that thing developing into a tropical system down to 10%. It's just not happening. So that apparently will not be Alex. Look at Thursday. Same deal. Looks pretty dry. Only a very small chance of a shower. We warm up into the upper 80s. And Friday, look at the 588 circle over Nebraska, the nation's heartland, with a trough to the east and to the west. And we've got a light northerly flow aloft here. And again, there will be a surface boundary to the north that might try and kick up a shower or storm late Friday or Friday night. There's obviously not much upper support for that, but we'll just kind of watch that and see. For now, we'll mention just a few widely scattered showers. And then Saturday, the front drifts down toward Interstate 20. And this is suggesting any scattered showers would be mainly south of Birmingham. And Sunday, just maybe we'll be in drier air, lower humidity values. Daytime highs not as warm. We'll be up there maybe around 90 on Saturday. Then the latest guidance showing highs back in the mid-80s on Sunday. And Memorial Day, the deeper moisture shows up down there over far southeast Alabama around Dothan. That looks generally dry. But again, look, every day between now and Monday, there will be some risk of a shower in spots, but probably not very many. And Tuesday of next week, pretty much the same deal. Let's look at June the 6th. You know, this morning I showed you output that had a big trough developing down here into the deep south. Well, the trough is there, but it's farther north. That's probably more realistic. That'll keep the cool air north of us. That looks dry. And then on the 10th of June, 588 ridge all across the deep south. Very much like summertime. Very warm, very muggy. and the chance of widespread rain looks awfully small. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.